So you've got your model brought into Chitu or whatever slicing program you're going to use. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over here. We're going to hit supports. And no, we're not. Sorry, I forgot one of the most important steps. Need to go back and rotate this guy first. So I typically rotate him backwards usually. I don't have a specific thing. I just kind of go to what looks good for me. So, okay, now we're going to go back and hit the support button to open up that window. I don't remember if I've changed any of these, but here's the top settings just in case. So for the most part, I basically just hit auto support with those light supports. That's the big part. This would probably work for most of the stuff I print, because I print small figures, but sometimes I would run into issues where I would lose some of the legs. So now I put some heavy supports on the low parts of the model, so like the bottom of the feet usually, some of the hanging things. And then sometimes where there are some thicker parts, so I might throw one in like the thigh or something, just for a little bit extra support. I don't know if it actually helps, but it helps me in my mind, so that's what I do. So there you have it. That's how I do my really simple supports. It works most of the time. Sometimes you'll lose some little things, but I'm not usually too worried about it. You can certainly do a lot more work if you are worried about that. So here's my settings. I haven't really messed with them since I initially figured out what they were after I bought my Saturn, and I just kind of go with it and leave them alone. Now you can go slice and print that, or add more to the plate so it's not quite so empty looking.